Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to rotate videos in Capcut. Now let's begin. As you can see, I've already imported a video. Now let's drag it to the timeline. Let's click on the video and scroll over to a timestamp where we want to rotate the video. If you look at this tab and scroll over, you will find the option called as rotate. It's a button like this. If you click on it, it rotates the whole video. If you want to rotate the whole video, this option is for you. But if you want to rotate only a certain portion of the video and come back to normal, here's what to do. On the menu bar in the video tab, let's look at the basic sub-tab. If we scroll down, we will find something called as rotate. Now let us add keyframes for position and rotate. Now let's go to another timestamp, add another keyframe for position and rotate. Let's rotate it something like this. Let's go to another timestamp, add another keyframe and rotate back to 0. Now let's play the video. And there you have it guys. That's how you rotate a video in Capcut. You can either rotate the whole video or using keyframes, you can do something like this. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.